Alright guys, so the S10, you guys haven't seen this. I went ahead, sanded it down. I got help and got this knocked out. I got a little project right now that I'm working on that I'm going to show you guys. I went ahead and ordered some mirrors a long time ago. I was going to put these on my Civic. I came up with the idea from doing this a long time ago. I went ahead and welded this on, and there you go. It looks factory, looks stock. So 91 S10, most of the S10s that have these mirrors, if they have this mirror on the S10 or Sonoma, you guys should be able to do this also on the Blazers and anything else. If you guys are interested in doing something like this, I had messaged the company to find some motorcycle mirrors, so that's what I ordered. I'm gonna show you guys how to mount these on here and adjust them and get them to where they don't come off. As soon as I put the bolt, this is still able to move, and all we have to do is tighten this, and then that's what's going to stop it from moving. Just get it straight up and down however you want, and that's it. Let me weld it. A little bit more on the back. Here. Put some water so it doesn't burn the plastic or the rubber seal. See how that's moving around? All you gotta do is just take this. It don't move at all. Alright guys, so there you go. As far as the rubber piece, I'll push that down, no big deal. For right now, that's pretty much just cutting, welding that on, tighten it up. And there you go. Here's the old one. Something nice and simple. I came over here to show BJ the truck after I primered it. You put the spokes on it. And then also I got the mirrors, and BJ also got some stuff done on his. So as far as the rusted spots in the corner, Honda Civic side skirts, I fixed the rusted out spots and also the rusted out spots on this whole corner and these dents. BJ came over here and got clear corners. Looks clean. Also got the tail lights on there. He sent me this kit too, so I'm gonna probably order it so that way I can have it for the S10 too. I was gonna look at the kits and I have one saved, but he found one for a little bit cheaper. You guys were talking about the last video. You guys commented and said that get it off that monster
truck high.
Yeah.
Give it a little bit. Give it a little bit.
For real. We're gonna drop it down. He's gonna get leaf springs, some blocks, and then some bags. Talking about it, come up with the idea with it. Both square bodies. Drop a comment, let us know what you guys think. We bringing back the old schools. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't hate on my primer either. Look, I missed that spot. I see it, I see it. The next few days I'll probably be painting this, you guys, so not nothing too crazy. I mean, the color is gonna be crazy, but 91 and an 89. This thing's looking clean. Alright guys, so here's the truck. I went ahead and sanded the primer down. You can see a lot of spots that I found. As far as even looking at the side of the truck from the sunlight, you can kind of get an idea and see where the imperfections are. So I'm going to try to catch up on all that. I did catch a lot of little hell dents and stuff all over. I'm going to wash this, and then I got my marker, and I'm going to go around and mark all the spots and everything that I see that I'm going to try to bond up. You can see where it stays. So take the marker, mark them, slap some Bondo on them. Almost ready to paint. Just gotta do this last final step.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running through you, so I can do it. Can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, Time to spurge like bucket, you know they can't stop us. Keep my mind at ease.